Today we're going to be highlighting the gift giving guide of 2021 from doTERRA. It is a limited time offering, and that means that once it sells out, the products sell out, they are gone. And so this is starting availability November 1st of 2021, and some of them available December 1st, and I'll highlight that for you. I like that doTERRA is conscious of our budget, and so some of them are available in November and some of them will be available in December. All right, so it is also limited 4 items, quantity of 4 per item. And again, once it sells out, it is gone. I think a lot of people think that we just say that to make it hype and all of that. No, they really do sell out quickly. So make sure you grab your items if you see something that you like. All right, I'm so glad that you're joining me today. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification and also the like. All right, well, Holiday Joy is one of our favorites. It is a special blend for the holiday time. It's a 15 ml bottle. It really makes your house feel like a home. It's so welcoming, a great environment. We love using Holiday Joy throughout our scents. I even add it to our On Guard hand wash, and so it smells awesome. It's a blend of wild orange, clove, cassia, Siberian fir, frankincense, ginger, balsam, and also cistus. It smells amazing. It is a new formulation this year. So if you have used doTERRA before, this is going to be a new formulation for you, but I smelled it at convention. It smells wonderful. Another favorite is Holiday Peace. So Holiday Peace, it also comes in a 15 ml. It is Siberian fir, Douglas fir, Himalayan fir, grapefruit, frankincense, vetiver. Very calming and woodsy aroma. This is great, especially if you have a fake tree. You can put a few drops on the branches of your fake tree, and also you can use it in your soap as well if you'd like to change those aromas out. And so Holiday Joy and Holiday Peace are staples in our home. Make sure you snatch those up because again, once they're gone, they're gone. All right, if you're ready to hop in and get started with doTERRA essential oils, I would be honored to help you. Go to RoxySaran.com. Okay, the next thing that is in the holiday item this year is the Acacia storage case. This is a beautiful case that was easy access view of 36 oils. It's a vertical shelves that slide out, and it has a really sleek and modern look. So if you want to grab a new case for a display storage case for your oils, you'll want to grab that. I know those are always very popular and they sell out really quickly. Okay, doTERRA's brought back the ancient oils set. It also comes individually as well as a set. You have cistus, common myrtle, galbanum, and hyssop. You want to make sure and grab those. And if you have not seen our previous video on oils of the Bible, where we go a little bit deeper dive on each one of those oils, you want to check that out from last year. Okay, I have tried these dark chocolate mini bars. They taste amazing. So they're keto friendly, sugar-free, gluten-free, and I know you're probably thinking it's probably taste-free. No, they actually taste really good. So it has wild orange and raspberries and almonds in there. They're absolutely amazing. They come in these little bars, and you'll definitely want to snatch those up to have around the holiday time or even as gifts. All right, we also have for the baker, or maybe you have a kiddo that's a baker, the holiday baking set. This is a new blend in here called Baking Spice Blend, also with a beautiful set of cookie cutters. And so it is cookie time at holiday time, and you're going to love the new baking set. Okay, the next thing that is a special is Adaptive Calming Mist. So adaptive, if you're falling in love with adaptive essential oil, it's going to come in a mist, in a 30 ml mist bottle that you can use on your hands or in your backpack for your kiddos at sleep time. You're going to love the Adaptive Calming Mist. Okay, Midnight Forest, the aftershave, and the body wash. This comes in a set or separately. Make sure you grab this, you guys, because it's already at 75% sold out. So don't wait on this. It has a feeling of leisure, walks in the woods. It's great not only for men's beard, also for the ends of your hair, and for skin for women as well. It's going to feel like you're bathing in the forest. It smells amazing. It's going to leave your skin really soft and smooth. So don't wait on this one. It's already 75% sold out. So hurry up on this. Okay, we also have beard oils this year. Again, I'm telling you, we have something for everybody. So the beard oils are Adaptive Balance and Northern Escape. They smell wonderful. You have a choice of what to use depending on your mood profile that you're feeling that day for your spouse. Wonderful moisturizing for the beard. It helps keep your beard manageable, fast absorbing. It has argan in there, jojoba, sunflower seed, and wonderful for all things beard, and of course beautiful aroma profile for every mood. So you want to check this out. Okay, Go to roxysaran.com if you're ready to snatch your holiday items. I would love to help you right at roxysaran.com. Okay, so the next item is going to be for women. We're switching to beauty products for women. So we have the beautiful Gua Sha Beauty Collection. You have your Yarrow Palm Serum, Yarrow Palm Essential Oil, which is perfect for the face. You know I rave about that all the time, how it protects and nourishes the skin. But you're also going to get an elegant rose quartz Gua Sha stone that will help transform your skin. We also have a neck and back wrap with the Adaptive Calming Mist in the 20 ml. This is going to be perfect for putting it in your microwave and heating it up, or even using this back wrap as a, put it in the freezer and use it as a cold pack. So maybe you have someone who has a lot of stress in their life, they're going to love this, or maybe a teacher or someone who's very active physically, they're going to love the neck and back wrap. Okay, we also have a beautiful koala diffuser this year. It partners well. It comes with a calmer restful blend. It's great in the playroom or in the kids' room or study time for play or sleep. You're going to love this beautiful koala diffuser for your children or your grandchildren, maybe nieces or nephews. This is going to make a great gift. Okay, now the next items that I'm going to be talking about are going to be released on December 1st. So we have a Soul No. 3 aroma, a new personal aroma perfume, as well as the Soul No. 3 hand lotion. And so what this smells like is sweet groves and exotic flowers. It has mandarin, sandalwood, davana, and vanilla. This is amazing. You don't want to miss this personal perfume. Again, once it sells out, it's going to be gone. Okay, we also have a Terra Stone passive diffuser. It is a pair of small, portable, eco-friendly diffusers. They don't plug in anywhere. They're little stones, and you're able to put your oils right on that stone and have a little diffuser, maybe at a workspace where you're not allowed to plug anything in, or have necessarily a big diffuser. You'll be able to have your little stone diffusers there, or even in a car or in your drawers, something like that. You're going to love it. Okay, the body butter. Now, I am such a fan of doTERRA's body butter, especially in the winter time. Our hands and our body, just it gets a little bit more dry, right, as we have less moisture in the air and it's colder. And so this beautiful body butter this year is going to be made of carrot seed, spearmint, and rosemary. These are some of my favorite blends when you blend spearmint and rosemary together. It smells so good, you just want to eat it. So you're going to love the body butter. Okay, and last but not least, we have a nighttime restful body oil. It is great for massage. It's non-greasy, really hydrating, has Roman chamomile, bergamot, and really just a calming idea for sleep. So you're going to love that. All of those are available December 1st. All right. I am so glad that you're joining me today. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification and also the like. I hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.